करू चालू चालू
Thank you, madam. Dear friends, I know you are quite shocked because I was not supposed to talk today because from last 18 days I am one of those who is continuously talking. So today it was unanimous decision that I was not talking here, but I couldn't stop myself actually, and that's why I am standing here. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Nichat sir, Patil sir, Vadegavkar sir was here, and respected Lomte ma'am. We are here from last 20 days, almost 20 days. And before this course, as Vadegavkar sir told, one should attend courses from other state. I have attended refresher course at IISc. You people might be aware that IISc is one of the leading world university. That is only university that comes in top 100 in world ranking. I have attended refresher course there. Until I can say, Amravati University is up to the level of IISc Bangalore. I was there for 21 years. And this is not because I belong to Amravati University. This is not because I am working in college affiliated to Amravati University. See, we are having misconceptions that whenever you go to some branded places, you will learn more. It is not like that. If you are having willingness to learn, no one can stop you actually from learning. Here, all 20 days was good learning experience. I met with variety of people, and I was learning from everyone. Besides resource person, I learn a lot from a person who was a participant. And that man is Mr. Ravi Mangle. Everyone might be surprised to know, but he is the man who might be age-wise older than everyone, but he is the man who is more enthusiastic than youngest participant of this orientation program. He was practicing how to speak. He was practicing for that micro-teaching. He was practicing for that seminar. And such enthusiasm is not there even in youngsters. If teacher is not willing to learn, how he is going to teach? There are many people who are talented enough, but their frequency was not with rest of the participants. If you can't adjust with merely 20-30 participants for 20 days, I don't think you can teach to class. Sorry for that, what I am saying. But environment should be like whatever knowledge we are having, we should be submissive. So that quality I learned from many people. There are people sitting like Vargat sir. Vargat sir is having tremendous knowledge. He is having around 40 lakh rupees funding from UGC. And that man is used to be silent. He know everything, but he is there. So there are things that I can learn from Vargat sir. I learn so many things from my Kashmiri friends. One can understand if you belong to some different state, there is food issue. But ma'am, this both guy never complained about food. Never complained about food. One need to learn these things also. I must appreciate Rahane ma'am, because in one Rahane ma'am used to drop Gadekar ma'am for picking that what kind of bus is that? Shiv Shahi bus. She used to drop Gadekar ma'am daily basis, and one day she sacrificed her lecture for dropping Gadekar ma'am. 15 minutes something. 15 minutes only. Because Gadekar ma'am have to pick that bus, so she was in hurry. Rahane ma'am was also with her. So that things are needed to be learned from Rahane ma'am. Everyone sitting here taught me so many things. I learned so many things from Wankhede sir. I learned so many things from Ashish Deshmukh sir. Ma'am, one day I was there with Ashish Deshmukh sir in that auto. And while auto is coming to this HRDC from Badgera, in share market, he earned 2,500 rupees. Such a talent he is having. So everyone sitting here is talented. Everyone sitting here is source of inspiration in many, many ways. How can I forget my room partner in last 5-6 days, Shakil Bhai. Ma'am, for presentations, Shakil Bhai was awake in morning 3:30 a.m. and he prepared for presentation from that time. So sincerity. If teachers are such a kind of sincere, definitely they are going to build good teachers. I don't say that I am good teacher or what, but I am observer. I used to observe everything, what is happening around. मैं कभी कभी बोलता नहीं हूँगा शायद, बट मुझे समझता है, मैं देखते रहता हूँ क्या हो रहा है, और ये देख देख कर ही सीख रहा हूँ. सीखना है तो पहले देखना सीखो. आपके आसपास होने वाली हर चीज आपको सिखा रही है. सीखना नहीं है तो आंखें बंद कर दो. क्या हो रहा है आसपास मुझे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, मेरे स्टैंडर्ड्स तो बहुत है, तो मैं आसपास के लोगों को नहीं देखूंगा. इस टाइप का अगर आपका एटीट्यूड है तो आप जहां हो वहीं रहो. और स्लो एंड स्टेडी विंस द रेस. कोई पीछे से आएगा, गांव का गवार कोई है ना, ऐसा मिथ है ना, गांव के गवार लोग आगे नहीं जा सकते, और कोई आएगा और जीत के चला जाएगा. तो ये मेरे लिए तो 20 दिन बहुत अच्छे थे. मैं बहुत कुछ सीखा. फैसिलिटीज बहुत अच्छी थी. जो भी मेरे प्रॉब्लम्स थे वो सॉल्व किए गए. मैंने बोला कि मेरे रूम में ये इशू है, वो सॉल्व हुए. मुझे लोमटे मैम से बहुत कोऑपरेशन मिला, बहुत गाइडेंस मिला, एप्रिसिएशन मिला. मैं मैम के पास लेके गया मेरा सेमिनार, लाइक स्टूडेंट मैम मैंने ये बनाया है तो इसमें कुछ ऐड करूं. मैम वाज लाइक अच्छा बनाया है. तो that words are enough. सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट पर काफी कुछ मुझे सीखने को मिला इस ओरिएंटेशन के बहाने. अदरवाइज हम पढ़ते कितना है, सिलेबस में जितना है वही तो पढ़ते हैं. सिलेबस के बाहर कहाँ जाते हैं, नहीं जाते. तो मैं सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स का थैंकफुल कि मुझे सीखने मिला आप लोगों से. और मैं सारे रिसोर्स पर्सन का भी थैंकफुल. कुछ लोगों का नाम कोट करना जरूरी है रिसोर्स पर्सन में से. जैसे कल पल्लवी मैम का लेक्चर हुआ, इट वॉज एक्सेलेंट. खादरी सर का लेक्चर हुआ, इट वॉज एक्सेलेंट. देयर आर सो मेनी लेक्चर्स दैट कैन बी कोटेड. सो देन आई नीड टू एक्सेप्ट वन थिंग. बिफोर कमिंग हियर, whatever way of teaching I used to have, after attending this 20 days program, I realized my teaching methods were not up to the mark. I have to accept this. This 20 days residential program is making me aware that I need to upgrade my teaching methods, and that's enough. And that is only a purpose of orientation program, I suppose. So I am thankful that on time organizer gave me opportunity to talk and you people listen to me. Thank you very much.